Looking for the best keyword ideas to boost your content? In this video, I'll show you how to use a powerful tool called AnswerThePublic to discover what people are actually searching for online. Let's get started. First, go to the website AnswerThePublic.com. On the homepage, you'll see a simple search bar with the message, "Discover what people are asking about." Here, you need to enter a topic, brand, or product. For example, let's type in AI tools. This could be anything you're planning to make content about. Now, the magic happens. AnswerThePublic uses real Google autocomplete data to show you all the questions and phrases people are searching related to your topic. First, let's talk about the questions section. This shows you all the questions people are typing into search engines, like "Are AI tools free?" "What are AI tools used for?" or "Can AI tools write essays?" Now, here's something cool. If you click on any question, like how AI tools work, it will automatically search that exact phrase in Google. This helps you see what kind of content already exists and what users are expecting to find. Next is the prepositions section. These are keyword phrases that include words like for, with, without, or to. For example, AI tools for students, AI tools with examples, or AI tools without login. This helps you understand different use cases or problems people want solutions for. Then we have the comparison section. This shows how people compare your topic with others. For example, AI tools versus human work, AI tools versus ChatGPT, or best AI tools like Jasper. It's perfect for creating content that compares tools, features, or benefits. AnswerThePublic also gives you an alphabetical list. This section organizes keywords by each letter of the alphabet. So under A, you might see AI Tools app, and under B, you might find AI Tools benefits. It's a great way to find niche keywords you may not have thought of. These keyword ideas are perfect for YouTube titles, blog posts, or social media content. Just pick the ones that are most relevant to your audience. And that's it. AnswerThePublic gives you real, search-based insights, so you never run out of content ideas. Try it yourself and see what people are asking about your topic.